Most people are using ChatGPT every day, but they are not using this one feature that makes everything 10 times easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how the ChatGPT Projects feature works and why it's powerful for beginners in 2026. If you are creating content, studying, or building online income, this feature can organize everything for you. Now, let's see. After that, make sure subscribe for more AI content. First, what is ChatGPT Project? ChatGPT Projects turns random chats into one organized workspace, making ChatGPT smarter, faster, and more focused on your goals. Let's how to use an Android app. Click three-dot upper side. Then click Project. Write your project name. Now this the basic thing, edit instructions how you want chat response. I made example my health agent, so he responds like my health agent. Well done, final we made now this response like my health agent. Thanks for watching. If you look this video essential, make sure subscribe.